Alicia from Forum in Fond du Lac here. So today I want to talk about what sets our semaglutide program apart from some of the other ones you might find online or through other companies. So one of the biggest ones is that our peptide is coming from an accredited pharmacy that we keep in very close touch with to keep up on everything with that. So you know where your product is coming from. And I think some of the ones that we see online, you don't know where your product is coming from, and that can be super sketchy. So we take care of all of that for you, make sure it's coming from the best possible place and you're getting the best peptide possible. The other thing is, and I think this is so important, is that we also offer health coach visits. And what those health coaches are going to do is they're going to work with you on the appropriate protein intake you should be having daily, fluid intake, help you work through stress eating, emotional eating, all of the different components that can hinder us losing weight. I have had multiple success stories of patients who have done the program who currently are still keeping the weight off, which is a really big concern for everybody, and have had developed a much better relationship with food through the coaching, through this process. So that is huge. The other thing that we do is we do lab work with you to get to underlying other causes that might be causing you from the ability to lose weight, such as thyroid, hormones, inflammation. So there's a lot more that goes into this than just the peptide, and that's what sets our program apart and what makes it so successful. So if you have any questions, reach out and get scheduled today. Thanks.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Forum Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.